ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ friends. So the topic in the subject of UID is Android Studio, unleashing the power of user interface design. So in this video we are going to discuss about mastering Android Studio and how we can use it in order to get a good user interface design, in order to make such design which our users will be able to interact in a very good manner, so that they can design the required interface according to their needs. So let us begin and continue with the next slide, and we'll jump into this topic of user interface design. Coming to next slide, introduction. Welcome to Mastering Android Studio, where we'll explore the power of user interface design. Get ready to unleash your creativity and build stunning interfaces that will captivate your users. So understanding the Android Studio. Learn the essential tools and features of Android Studio for effective UI design. Explore the layout editor, XML design, and the power of constraints for responsive designs. Material design principle. Discover the principle of material design and how to apply them to create visually appealing and intuitive, intuitive user interfaces. Dive into the world of elevation, motion, and meaningful uh, transition, which will make user feel better while using the interface. So in order to make this kind of application to happen, we must know the various applications of user interface design, which we'll do using Android Studio. So coming to next slide, creating custom views. To master the art of creating custom views to add unique and personalized elements to your apps, learn to design interactive and dynamic elements that enhance user engagement. So in this slide, what we have understood is we have uh, we have to use Android Studio in creating a user interface, which in a in such a extent that it will be a personalized way, so that user will experience it is done to himself. So in order to make it happen, we have to make an interactive design which is dynamic, which has a dynamic elements, and we'll make it enhance the user engagement. So next, responsive design with constraint layout. Explore the power of constraint layout to create flexible and responsive user interface design that adapt to various screen sizes and orientations. Say goodbye to layout struggles and hello to seamless responsiveness. So, what we are understanding after reading this slide or understanding this slide is the we have to make a interface such that it will fit into the various kind of screens. Uh, it, uh, the size of screen does not matter, and according to the design does not matter how the screen size is. So we have to make the design in such a way that it will fit into any kind of screens. So coming to next slide, typography and color schemes. Delve in the world of typography and color schemes to create visually appealing and cohesive user interface designs. Understand the impact of font choices and color palettes on user experiences. Animation and interaction. Leverage the power of animation and interaction to bring your user interface design to life. Create engaging experiences with smooth transition, interactive elements, and delightful animations. So the main concept of this slide is we must effectively use animations in our interface while designing the interface using Android Studio to design interface. So user interface. By using such transitions and animations, our user will get a better experience in using their the app which has been done to them, which has been which serves their purpose. So search testing and iteration. Learn the best practice for testing and iterating your user interface designs to ensure a seamless user experience. Discover effective strategies for gathering user feedback and refining your designs. So, after making a user interface, we must test it and iterate it such a way that so that the user will get a better experience when the app is being sent to him. When the client gets the product done, he must be satisfied. He must be satisfied, so that in order to make him satisfied, we must test run the app so that there is no loophole or any kind of fault in the app. Optimizing performances. Master techniques for optimizing UI performance to deliver a smooth and responsive user experience. Explore strategies for minimizing layout complexity and optimizing resource usage.